This video was made possible thanks to the Pump Station and Nursery. Come visit us at 2727 Main Street in Santa Monica, California. You can also visit our website, pumpstation.com.
Hello, this is Adam, the certified car seat technician with the Pump Station and Nursery and Infant Toddler Youth. And in this video, we're going to show you how to do a Nuna Revv installation using the lap and shoulder belt. Remember to always read the manual of your car seat before using it, so that way you know how it operates. Because this is a rotating car seat, there's only one installation with the lap and shoulder belt, and then you just rotate it however you need it. If the child is under 2 years old, you should keep it rear facing. If the child is over 2 years old, you have the option to go front facing. Rear facing, though, is considered the safer position, and the car seat can go rear facing up to 40 pounds. So the longer, the better. Okay. The first thing we want to attach is the top tether. Behind the car seat, there is a strap. You want to loosen it up, so pull back on this panel here. Disconnect it from the back of the chair. And this is what's going to attach to the tether point in your vehicle. In my car, the tether is located in the trunk. So I'm going to feed this hook under the headrest, and I'm going to attach this at the very end. I'm just going to make sure to get it out of the way of the car seat so it doesn't get stuck behind it. All right. Now that the tether's in the truck, I'm going to rotate the car seat to rear facing mode so that way we can get to our installation door. There is a button on both sides of the chair. You have to squeeze one or the other, and then you're able to rotate the car seat. Now that we're in rear facing mode, we can get to our installation door. We're going to push the button. That's going to open up our lap belt installation door. I'm going to grab my seat belt, and I'm going to feed the lap belt through the door, and I'm going to get it buckled in. Once we're buckled, we need to make sure the seat belt is positioned correctly. There's a dark gray tab on both sides of the base, and there's actually a blue strip that says lap belt only. So we have to make sure the lap belt goes under the tab on both sides of the car seat. All right. Next, we need to lock our seat belt. I'm going to grab the shoulder belt, and I'm going to pull it all the way out as far as it can go. Once you've pulled it completely out, when you let it retract, you should hear a clicking ratcheting sound. That sound will let you know the seatbelt's now in locking mode. Now we can begin to tighten it. So I'm going to grab the shoulder belt and pull it away from the buckle while my other hand or body is leaning on the car seat. And I want to slowly rock it from side to side. So I'm pushing the car seat into the vehicle seat as I'm tightening it. And I want to feed all the slack back in the car so it continues to lock and it stays nice and snug. What the Nuna manual says is that they want the shoulder belt to go under the base. I'm going to slide it under the base here. And finally, I'm going to close the installation door. So push it down. You're going to feel some resistance because this is a tension door. So it's actually continuing to tighten the seatbelt. Well, the lap belt specifically. So push the door all the way down until it clicks closed. The way to know this is tight enough is with one hand, you're going to grab it from either side of the car seat. As long as the car seat cannot slide more than an inch from side to side or front to back, then you know it's tight enough. Now we can go into the trunk and we're going to attach our top tether. So as I mentioned, in my car, the tether is located in the trunk directly behind the vehicle seat, and there's a tether point behind each of the seats. So no matter what seat you're installing it on, there's some place to connect the top tether. We need to make sure the strap is straight. You don't want it twisted or tangled. Make sure the flat part of the connector is facing outward, and we just click it onto that tether hook. Once it's connected, we can pull on the strap to tighten it. And you don't have to make it super tight. You just want to get rid of the slack that's there. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to follow the Pump Station and Nursery on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. All the details will be in the description below. See you in the next video.